Vivo has unveiled its latest flagship under the X series in India, the Vivo X300, focusing heavily on camera capabilities and AI-powered features. This smartphone is designed to impress both photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy users with a combination of sleek design, high-end performance, and advanced optics. The device boasts a 6.31-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED display that delivers smooth visuals, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it ideal for watching videos, gaming, and outdoor usage. The display technology ensures vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and fluid motion, giving users an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Vivo X300 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, coupled with the Mali G1 Ultra MC12 GPU, ensuring seamless multitasking and powerful gaming performance. The device comes with either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB using UFS 4.1 technology, providing fast data access and plenty of room for apps, games, and media files. Performance-wise, this combination promises smooth operation even under demanding workloads, whether it's gaming, video editing, or AI-based tasks. The standout feature of the Vivo X300 is its Zeiss-powered triple-camera system, housed in a stylish circular ring at the top center of the back panel. The primary sensor is an impressive 200-megapixel camera, equipped with Samsung's HPB technology and optical image stabilization for capturing sharp and stable images and videos. Alongside it is a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a 119-degree field of view. For selfies, the device includes a 50-megapixel front camera situated in a centrally placed hole punch cutout, capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second, just like the rear cameras. Powering the device is a large 6040 mAh battery that supports 90W wired fast charging and 40W wireless fast charging, allowing users to quickly top up and enjoy extended usage without frequent interruptions. The phone runs on Android 16 with the Origin OS 6 skin on top, providing a clean, user-friendly interface with customizable features. Security is taken care of with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and the phone is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, making it durable in challenging environments. Connectivity options are extensive, including dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, an IR blaster, and a Type-C port for charging and data transfer. The phone's dimensions are compact and comfortable for one-handed use, measuring 150.57 by 71.92 by 7.95 millimeters, and weighing around 190 grams. In terms of pricing in India, the Vivo X300 starts at 75,999 Indian rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB variant. The 12GB plus 512GB model is priced at 81,999 Indian rupees, while the top-end 16GB plus 512GB variant comes at 85,999 Indian rupees. Customers can choose from 3 eye-catching color options: Elite Black, Mist Blue, and Summit Red. Pre-orders have already started, and the phone is expected to hit stores from December 10th. With its powerful cameras, robust performance, and striking design, the Vivo X300 is poised to attract users looking for a premium smartphone experience.